we can do the analysis of a continuous beam. We will use this program for doing the analysis of a continuous beam, which can also perform the analysis of 2D frame and folded plates. There is another program also for doing the analysis of continuous beam, but it has some limitation. So better use this program to do the analysis of the continuous beam, where you can give any type of supports, and over here the limitation is that it should have at least one fixed end support. Okay, so let us do the analysis with this program. Okay, so you can always fix the scale as per your requirement before giving any input. Okay, and for doing the analysis of continuous beam, you have to use this coordinates, okay, to draw the members. So say the first member is of having a 6 meter length, so the x1 will be 0. Press enter. Okay, use enter key to save the data in the text box always. Okay, so press enter. Again, y1 is 0, press enter. x2 is 6 meters, say press enter. y2 is 0, press enter, and draw member. Okay, so this is the first member drawn. Now say the second member is also 6 meter, having 6 meter length. Okay, so x1 will be equal to 6 meters, y1 is 0, x2 is 12 meters, and y2 is 0, right? Again, draw member, right? Okay, now say again the third member is also having a length of 6 meters, right? So x1 will be 12 meters, press enter. y1 is 0, press enter. x2 is 6, 12 plus 6, that is 18 meters, right? Press enter. y2 is 0, press enter, and draw the member, right? Now click finish. Okay, this page shows that the frame joints are to be numbered first and the support joints are to be numbered last, right? Exit. Okay, is the drawing complete? No. Okay, now we can see over here that all the joints are support joints. So let's number the text box. Click the text box and the number will be populated. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Click finish. Exit. Is the drawing complete? Yes. Have you filled the joint numbers in text box? Yes. Okay. Now write the total number of frame joints. The frame joints are 0 over here. So write 0, press enter or click OK. Okay. Write the total number of support joints, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, press enter, right? Okay. Now support 1 is hinge, okay. 2 is hinge. Support 3 is hinge. Support 4 is hinge, okay. Right. So we can see that as the supports are hinge support, so all the text has turned to green color, right? Now it is a continuous beam, so we have to use the manual command. So let us use the manual command. Okay, close the message box and press enter key to continue. Okay, click OK, press enter. Okay, do you want to select the member, this blue member, right? Yes. Okay, so this is member number 1. This yellow text box is the initial point of this member and this is the terminal point of this member, right? So yes. Okay, fill the property table, right? Okay, now width of the member is say 0.2325 meters, right? Press enter key. Give the depth, say it is 450 mm, that is 0.45 meters. Okay, it has a UDL of 50 kilonewton meters, right? Let's assume that it just has an UDL of magnitude 50 kilonewton meter per meter, right? So just press enter in each text box and just come out of the form. Now the data for the member 1 has been assigned. Now the program is asking that do you want to select this member as member number 2? We say yes. So this is the initial point for member number 2 and this is the terminal point. Say yes. Okay, fill the property table. Again, so width is 0.25 meters, press enter. The depth is 0.45 meters, press enter. And say the load is a point load, okay, then just enter. And we have a point load of 75 kilonewton meter, okay. We have only one point load and the distance of point load 1, right, from the initial point is say 2 meters from the initial point, okay. So the load and data for the member number 2 has been assigned, right? Now comes the third member. So this is the initial point for this member, this is the terminal point for this member, okay. So let us give the data. So the width is 0.25 meters, depth is 0.45 meters, and again say it is a UDL of 50 kilonewton per meter, okay, and just come out of the form. Okay, give the file, save the file, say it is M, save. Okay. Now you can edit the data by just clicking this command, and you can select it in serial or you can select it as an individual member, but as we have clicked yes, so it will take all the members in serial. Do you want to make any change in member number 1? No. In member number 2? No. In member number 3? Yes. Then it will show the details for the member number 3. You can make the change and then press enter at every text box and just come out. Okay. Resave the file, right? Okay. Okay. Now you can run analysis, create input, okay. You can see the input, okay. Okay, run analysis. Write the modulus of elasticity, that is in kilonewton per meter square of the material. So it is 2E8. Press enter. Okay, always press enter key to save the data. Then load factors are say 1, enter, 1, enter, right? Finish command. Okay, you can see the output, right? So this is the output of the continuous beam, okay. Okay, you can see the bending moment diagram, okay. This is member number 1, this is member number 2, this is member number 3. You can see the shear force diagram, okay. Similarly, you can see the bending moment and shear force diagram for any member individually. Say member number 2, write 2, press enter. You can see the shear force, you can see the bending moment, you can see the shear force and bending moment at any distance from IP. This is the IP for member number 2, say 3 meters. press enter, you get the shear force and you get the bending moment. Or you can scroll this and get the shear force and bending moment at any required distance. Okay, thank you.